So guys, here you can see one more learning came on the Python. And in today's Python video, I'm telling you about in the lab how exploring the COLLATZ'S hypothesis in Python. So yeah, I'm telling you about the series video start to, and please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also so never miss any future related videos about the Python. So now without taking any time, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Guys, in today's video of Python, I'm telling about in the lab what are exploring the COLLATZ'S hypothesis in Python. So yeah, I'm telling about it. So without wasting any time, let's learn about it and let's learn about in the lab how to explore the COLLATZ'S hypothesis in Python. So let's learn about it and let's start. COLLATZ'S hypothesis, also known as the 3 multiplied by plus 1, 3x plus 1 problem. It's a conjecture in mathematics that concerns a sequence defined as follows. Like first is a string with any positive integer like n and n. Number 2, if n and n is even, divided it by 2. Number 3, if n and n is odd, multiply it by 3 and add a 1. Number 4, repeat the process for the resulting number. The hypothesis states that no matter what position integer n you start with, the sequence will always eventually reach 1. Let me show you this one Python code. Here you can see it, and let me copy this code. Let me go on my let me go on my Visual Studio Code. Let me open my new window, and here I am giving my file, it will be index.py, and then I am saving this file on my documents. I'm save it, and now when I make this file, so this type of an output has been open it, and I am pasting this code here. First of all, what here I can do here, first of all I write a def keyword, then I define a COLLATZ'S sequence. Here we generate the COLLATZ'S sequence for a given number like args, like an int starting positive integer, then returns like list, a list representing the COLLATZ'S sequence. This here we define a multi-line comments, and in the multi-line comment I write this type of thing. Here you can see it. Then here I write like if statement, then and then less than equals to 0. Then here we write like raised value error, input will be a positive integer, and in the 17 line even it will be n divided by 2. Then in the 19 line here we odd, this is a one odd number here, 3 and plus 1. Then from 24th line we started from our driver code, and it will be ended in our 32 line, and when I save it from here and run it, so it is giving me enter a positive integer for to explore the COLLATZ'S procedures. If I say my integers will be 20, so it give me the COLLATZ'S sequence starting from 20 is 20, 10, 5, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. And the sequence reach 1 in 17 steps. If I say 80, so it give me the COLLATZ'S sequence starting from 80 is 80, 40, 20, 10, 5, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. The sequence reach 1 in 9 steps. So you can see it like that, you can do it, and like that you can make your here you can make your exploring the COLLATZ'S hypothesis. And now let me show you how to write this code. If you do not want to write this code, so let me show you how to write it. So first of all, you side by side it like this, and then what you can do, first of all do like this and side by side it like that, and then zoom it. Now what you can do, first of all here you are like def COLLATZ'S, then here you are like sequence, then n, then you define multi-line comments, and then in the multi-line comment you write like generate the COLLATZ'S sequence for a given number, then dot, then here we write like args, and then here we define like int, and then here we starting from our positive integer dot then returns, then here we define like list, okay, space list, a list representing the collect sequence. Now here we define like if, then in the if equals to 0, then raise, here we define like raise values will be error, and then here we define like in the double commas input must be a positive integer. Like this you will write it, and when you write it down this type of code, and then it give you the error, and it is giving me the error. What type of error? Let me see. Okay, here I like 0. Okay, here I do not write n, that's why it give me the error. Now it's not giving me the error. Now here I like sequence, okay, and the sequence equals to in the double n, and then here I like while, and then equals to 1, then ratio, then if n the percentage 2 equals to 0, then single comma, then n equals to n slash 2, then slash even should be, I'm writing here n divided by 2. Now when I write it this type of code, then here you write like else, and in the else you write like n equals to 3 multiply by n, then plus 1, and then hashtag odd, then 3n plus 1. Then here we sequence dot append, here I am defining like n, and then here I am writing like it return sequence. Whenever this type of work is done, so now here we defining like driver code. Now we are starting our driver code. So first of all here we write like if name, then equals to, then slash main, then slash, and then give the space from here, and now perfect, and then here you enter press, and then try, here you write like number equals to int should be input, and then here we define a enter a positive number to positive number, not sorry, positive integer, okay, to explore hypothesis, and paste it. Now whenever work is done till here, so now all one, and now let me come here, and when you write it, now come here. Now save it, and it should give you first of all enter a positive integer to explore the hypothesis. I am writing like 800 should give me the Collattz's sequence starting from 800, 400, 250, 25, 76, 38, like that, and the sequence reach a 1 in 28 steps, like that. Here you can see it. So like that, here you can see it, you can do it, okay. The simple lab allows you to explore the Collattz's hypothesis interactively. So here you can see in today's video of Python, I told you in the how to exploring the Collattz's hypothesis in Python. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to all the notification bell also snap and any future related videos about the Python. So now I'm using next class and next very amazing like about videos. So now for today, give me permission for go, and now for today, goodbye.